Hey guys, my name is Van Rashid and welcome to this video. I'm going to try and make this video quick. It's going to be about creating a complete funnel using System.io. Okay, now here we are. This is the ClickBank marketplace, and to be honest, I never used this. I'm not using it in years anyway. When I first started, this is where I started, but then I moved on to Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And if you come to a place, if it doesn't look like this, just you have to log in and come over to what it says marketplace. Okay, there might be a sideline. A sidebar here, so just click on marketplace and you come over here. This has got affiliate offers in every niche. You can check this out, play with it. You can come over here, click onto top offers, and these are the best selling offers right now. Okay, Brain Song offer, Mytolin. Obviously this is health and fitness. I don't know anything about this, but you can promote any of these products and it'll tell you how much you're going to earn. So initial earning will be like 180, and there'll be a gravity, which basically means how much has been sold. I think in the past month. I mean, these numbers aren't exactly accurate, but basically these are your top selling products here. Okay, and there's a lot of fitness stuff. Let's see, they've got categories here as well, so I think we're going to go into the I think it's the marketing or affiliate source. So let's go to the business and investing, or e-marketing, e-business and e-marketing. Let's see what that is. There you go. They got Pegasus. I haven't got a clue what that's about, but the payout will be $69, which is fairly good. Gravity is 20. Doesn't really matter about the gravity. Sometimes you just got to promote this. Instadoodle, that sounds pretty good. Gravity is 68, which is pretty good. I'm pretty sure that'll be something like drawing and all that kind of stuff. So I don't want to waste time. So basically, you can check the sales page out. I checked the affiliate page out. Okay, so let's just click on the affiliate page. There, I knew it'll be that's a program which sells stuff like this. It's a Doodle AI. This is pretty good. That's your hop link. Okay, just there, that's why you put your actual affiliate ID in there. Okay, whatever that is. If you join ClickBank, you know what I'm talking about. This is not a ClickBank tutorial really. This is more of how to promote, how to set up a funnel using System.io. Okay, so what you want to do is copy this and put it onto a notepad of some sort. I'll do all this later, but basically this is what I'm going to promote. Okay, so basically get your affiliate link, copy the clipboard. I'll save this later. Okay, I just make another one there. Just give me a second. Okay, I've cleared all that out. Let me just paste that onto there, and that's where I'll add my affiliate ID. I'll get that later on. I'll just increase this size so you can see this. So that's my affiliate ID, and you'll have a set of letters and numbers there. That's where you're going to put. That'll be affiliate ID. Okay, I'll get rid of all that. Okay, I'll just leave that there. And then what we're going to want to do is you can read through all this. It'll tell you all the information. Let's see if it's got some email swipes here. That'll come in handy later on. Okay, that'll be how much has been sold for $67, $97 for the upgrade. You can go through this, obviously play these and see what it's like. Okay, these are the, yeah, it's got some email swipes there, so you can write your own. It's better to write your own, but I'm going to copy these for later on. Okay, and then what we're going to do is jump over to my System.io account. So just give me a second. This is my System.io account. Okay, I don't know if you can see me there. Yeah, I'm going to obviously blur some of these things out. But instead of creating the actual opt-in page first, what I'm going to do is create a tag first. Okay, so I think that product was called, let me have a quick look. I think it was called Doodle something. Instadoodle. Okay, so that's what we're going to call it. Okay, so basically come over here where it says CRM, go over to tags. If you're new to System.io, you won't have any tags here. Again, I'm going to have to blur some of that. These are all the tags which I've created. And to create a tag, you simply go over to here, press on tag, and give it a name. And that, I believe, was called Instadoodle. So I'm just going to call it Instadoodle. I hope I spelled that right. Instadoodle. Okay, I spelled it wrong, but no problem. Just go over to settings again and just correct it. Take that D off, put it into an O. I think it's right. I might be wrong. I'm not cared. I'm trying to make this quick. So that's a tag. So basically, when someone purchases Instadoodle and they opt into the, sorry, when someone wants Instadoodle, they opt into the opt-in form, the form which I'm going to create later on, and I'll know that that's the person to there. So they're not into list building or another product which I brought or anything, nothing to do with affiliate marketing. They're into Instadoodle. So when I want to email them, I'll just have to tag them with this. Okay, hope that understands. And then the next thing what you want to do, you don't create the actual opt-in page yet. I would say you go over and create campaigns. So you come over here where it says emails, go over to campaigns. This is going to be your autoresponder, and if you've never used done this before, all this should be blank. And in order to create one, you just come over here where it says create, click on create and give it a name. Again, Instadoodle. I might spell it wrong, but I don't care. Email address, put one of your email addresses that you've got on there. That's the one which I'm going to use. You can give it a description if you want. I just put Instadoodle opt-ins. You probably guessed I'm a slow typer, which is I don't like doing it. Click on save, and that's that. And then here you can add your emails. Okay, you can add your emails. There's no emails on here, so if I click on that, it'll be a blank. That'll pop up there. To create an email, you just simply create one. Just click on there. Subject. First email. I can put first email. You can name it something better. Obviously, I'm not thinking right now, but because I'm trying to do this quick, I'll put Instadoodle. Well, that classic editor, I prefer the classic, so it's basically blank, and then I just create one myself, and that's it. Now all I have to do was that subject. Oh, sorry, I didn't have to. That was not supposed to be the subject. Okay, the subject, I can change that now anyway. So let's go over here. Now, obviously, you want to write your own emails, or you can get ChatGPT to create emails for you. But I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, this is from that page what I showed you there earlier. So I'm just gonna copy this. There's no subject line here, but okay, just for just to hurry things up, I'll just copy all this. Where have I gone? There it is, and we just paste it onto there. Now that is a horrible email. That is way too big. There's no way anyone's gonna read this. That's ridiculous. But anyway, like I said, you'll make yours a lot better. Let me think what I can pull out from here. I'll just copy that, and that'll be my subject line. Whiteboard videos hook viewers better than anything else. That's not too bad. But this email, obviously, make it better. You just space it out, make it more readable, and don't make them that long. Okay, just make it about up to there long, even less than that. Okay, but all this is way too much. There's no way anyone's gonna read that. And once you've created that one, you can save and test it, or you can save and publish it. And if you press save and publish, you want to know when it's going to go out. So if I press that one there, this email will be sent out. You just leave that blank and put this to minutes. So it should go within a minute, okay? You don't have to bother with any of these. So if I was to put that after another email, then it would go a minute after that email, or straight after that email. If I had it on one day, then it'll go a day later. Okay, we don't want to do any of that. We want to keep this on 0, keep this one blank. So this is the first email. It should go out instantly, but it'll take roughly around about a minute or 5 minutes before it gets to someone. So ideally, what you want to do is create a thank you page, which I'm going to get into in the next video, because this video has gone long enough. Click on activate there. Now that's activated. That's going to go straight away when someone opts into the opt-in form. I'm going to create that in the next video, but it's best to get your list, your campaign set up first, and your tags done first, so that way it all kind of, you can tie it in with the actual opt-in form which I'm going to create. Okay, all that's going to be shown in the next video, and I'll see you then.